Welcome to Dakota Micro Video Demos. This video will show unboxing of a premium waterproof wireless transmitter. This kit includes an AC power supply, wireless transmitter, RCA cables, 3 decibel antenna. The premium waterproof wireless transmitter is enclosed in a watertight case. The connector has a cap on it to protect it when not in use. It also has the easy dial with channels 1, 2, 3, and 4. When using your premium waterproof wireless transmitter, do not mount it with the power port facing up. It can fill with water and cause corrosion. Thank you for watching this Dakota Micro video demo. For additional assistance, visit dakotamicro.com.